Mame mo akwaba ene de me de wabawura Atta Ayi camp se mo bekai abrante ane efre no Yaw Asante Agyekum a ono yesusu se ono no siesie eye Atta Ayi motorbikes team ni nyina motorbikes ema ye jailing no 35 years no abrante na odi anima o hye white top ani prison officers call ewo eho no aha onu ni abrante we na meka na asem na hye white ewo he no na waba court of appeal yes sentence no 2002 December 2nd 2002 December 2nd any sentence Yaw Agyekum ye charge no with conspiracy na conspiracy na ye de charge no ye sentence no 35 years na 35 years no enene waba ese court no ente so emfa ema no yenti ne lawyer ensema odi atudwa.
He used to be a motorbike repairer, and the link with Atta Ayi was that basically most of the bikes of those armed robbers in the Atta Ayi fraternity were repairing their bikes at his workshop. So when the suit was made on Atta Ayi, for some reason, because they saw his name on their phones or whatever, in a way they added him to the conspirators for the armed robbery. And he had no counsel, and unfortunately he was jailed together with the Atta Ayi guys to a period of 35 years, and he's been in prison. But when I got wind of the case through the efforts of the then governor of the Southern prison, Oppong, I looked into the case and I felt that there were some grounds of appeal because there was no evidence to link him either with the conspiracy or with the actual operation carrying out of the robbery. So I filed my appeal out of time, obviously, but the court agreed with me. And then it's been a long journey. It's almost 8 years now because first of all, the records of the court were missing. We have to go to archives. We have to do a whole lot of things. So the appeal is now ready and it's now judgment. And I think because it's my belief the Attorney General did not file any submissions in opposition, which basically because I think when they looked at our submission, they knew we had a good case. So submissions are before the court, and today we were told that we were expecting judgment today, but we were told that the court will give the judgment on the 5th of June. He's been in since December 2002. Okay. So it's 20. He's been in 25 years. Yaw Asante Agyekum. Now, or motors. And I coach Atta Ayi almost on more Atta Ayi a gang. Almost didn't count on board in the court. The deal myself, this is December 2002. And what them are when you're loyal to and you'll be about. Actually, later on, the court is business from nothing too many. And I'm a Gina Janapare, and I'm to say, I don't know, count evidence behind just say, okay, and I'll tell you how only lawyer and you're fairly appeal. The issue and papers may be a court near Banner and I'm there. We are every judgment court, we are shared 5th of June.
That's it. I was here for opinion what is Okasa lawyer. A lawyer George Benashaw, I know in age name, Eddie Ama applicant, convict applicant, what them 30, they say what them a year 22 years, your man 35 years. I brought in to say, Atta Ayi team members in or no, and I know see your motorbikes. Your chair, Atta Ayi, and I shame one more chain account charging with conspiracy and robbery.